Hey everyone! Today I will make a video about the habit loop from the book called Atomic Habits by James Clear, and today I will tech you how to from a habits by this loop, and I also tech how to destroy the bad habits through this loop. Imagine a cycle. Something reminds you, cue, to do something you enjoy, craving, like reading, response, which makes you feel good, reward. This loop reinforces the habit. Make the cue obvious. Leave workout clothes out, put books where you see them. Which trigger you to read the book? Make it attractive. Pair healthy snacks with fun activities. Make it easy. Start small. Break down routines into steps. Make it rewarding. Celebrate progress. Track your wins. Now it's time for destroying the bad habits. At first, identify the cue. What triggers the bad habit? Remove the cue. Hide triggers. Change routines. Make it unattractive. Pair the habit with something unpleasant. Replace it. Find a healthy alternative, like exercise instead of snacking. Now let from habits by this loop. Guess we want to create a habits of reading book? For that we have to put the books in that place where you can see the book easily. Which triggered our brain to read the book? For that you have to put it on the table or any place of your room that you can see the book. If you are outside your home, keep the PDF of the book in your mobile home screen. Then comes our craving for that you have to make it easy. Now how to make it easy? That we know reading book is so boring. For that read 1 page a day and improve it day by day. I don't have to example the response because there is noting to example. Then the reward thing that you have got a placer by reading or you have learned something new. Remember, you don't have to change your habits in a day, because you will be overloaded and leave it. And don't start too hard. Make it easy and improve its level day by day. For example, there in a story of an bodybuilder. I forgot his name, but he was Olympiad athletes. He was take a baby buffalo from his training ground to his house. Which distance was almost 4 kilometers. He take the buffalo every day, but the buffalo becoming mature day by day, and his weight was rising. Once it become almost 120 kilograms. But he can even take the buffalo so easily. It happened because of the weight rising little bit a day. He have always trained day by day for it. But what if he take this 120 kilograms at his first day? He can't not take the weight. Just like this our habits are. There is another chapter related to this topic in this book called 1% Improvement a Day. If you want to know about this topic, let me know in the comment section below. It was for today, and make sure to like, share and subscribe our channel, which motivate us so much. Let go to a journey of our dream together.